So restoration companies should really be focusing on extensive education and training in their industry. They should be really the most skilled in their industry, just like you would have a plumber going through all of their schooling or electrician. There is so many hazards. I would argue there's more hazards in dealing with restoration projects than an electrician would come across, or a plumber, because we're dealing with potential asbestos concerns, mold concerns. You're doing demo and you want to make sure that you're not going to cross-contaminate a home. So a lot of your handyman guys, even just general contractors that don't deal with restoration, they may not know how to properly contain an area or even think about the hazards associated with cross-contamination or getting into their project. Even restoration companies right now, some of them are not properly trained. There's a lot of people that are like, oh, I can go buy fans and a dehumidifier and I could be a restoration company. It's easy. I've seen people do it. They just cut out drywall and then they set up fans and they dry it. And there's so much more to that.